Merry Christmas, everybody! This is Bisaya in Japan. Today, we're gonna look at the new addition to the Gundam Converge, and this is Gold Edition. Before we continue, don't forget to press that like button and subscribe. Let's go! So these are the 5 pieces of the set. Let's check the first one, 242. Gundam Astray Gold Frame. There, and the other pieces of the set. You can check that out. Okay. Next is the 243 Hyakushiki Kai. Alright. The other pieces of the set. Next, number 244 MPT Hyakushiki Kai. You want to compare the two? Look. Let's take a closer look there. Alright. Next, let's go to the number 245 Akatsuki Gundam Shiranui Unit. Or Shiranui Unit, I mean. There. Okay. And the last piece of the Gold Edition set. Number 246, Shining Gundam Super Mode. Oh. Actually, I have a Shining Gundam here, but not, of course, not the Gold Edition. Let me check where it is. There you go. There. And of course my blue frame and the red frame over there. Anyway, let's continue with this review. Alright guys, so they're finally finished. First, let's have the gold frame. There's actually one extra part, the hand. And among the set, only this particular piece has an extra part. Okay. Oh, there's a hole for the sword. So you can swap items with the red frame or the blue frame. Okay. So this is the Gundam Astray Gold frame. Okay. Next. Hyakushiki Kai. I don't know, I think the gold detail just matches perfectly with the Christmas season. What do you think, guys? Good letterings there on the arms. Okay, next we have MPT Yakushiki Kai. Looks like War Machine with those Gatling gun on the shoulder, the right shoulder. Closer a bit. With the backpack. All you do is annoy me, so I have been sitting here to destroy you. And there's a million of us just like me, who cuss like me, who just don't give a fuck like me, who dress like me, walk, talk, and act like me. It just might be the next best thing, but not quite me. Alright, next up, actually, of all the pieces, this is the most complicated. Akatsuki Gundam Shiranui unit. Oh, look at the backpack. The backpack itself is divided into about 10 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces. Closer look for the backpack. There. Single person is a slim shady lurking. He could be working at Burger King, spitting on your onion rings, or in the parking lot circling, screaming, I don't give a fuck. Cool. It is cool. So will the real shady please stand up and put one of those fingers on each hand. Okay. Next, we have the Shining Gundam Super Mode. Everything about this mobile suit is painted in gold except for the right arm and the green part on the chest. Other than that, everything is gold. Gold, gold, gold. There, with the chest. So guys, one more look. The red frame, no, gold frame. I'm just so used to saying the red frame. Alright, gold frame ashtray. Next one here is the Yakushiki Kai, both Yakushiki Kai with different armaments. This one here is Akatsuki Gundam. I have an Akatsuki Gundam. I forgot where though. And Shining Gundam mode. Okay. Which one is your favorite, guys? Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching Bisaya in Japan. Merry Christmas, everybody! Merry Christmas!